What's going on, guys? It's myself, Ruff Fusion. So I'm back with another unboxing, and I'm gonna say it was absolutely unplanned and just like a last minute decision, I should say. But honestly, just like I said, I was browsing through Argos again, see if I can find anything cheap to unbox, like a cheap gadget or something like that. But honestly, myself, I just like collecting phones and just like keeping them for for the histories of having mobile phones over the past years, I should say, and like to treasure them, to be honest. But honestly, I came across with this £29 value Alba smartphone. It's a 4-inch screen Android, so let's look on the side. So I've never really had any stuff owned by Alba, but it's a really good affordable make, I should say. So we've got all the barcodes and the other stuff on here, but I'm actually surprised and absolutely impressed with the features for a little cheap thing like this. So it's 4-inch WVGA display, 3G, dual SIM, 1 gig of RAM, Android 7.0 Nougat, 5 megapixel real. I was gonna say rear, and 2 megapixel front camera for like a selfie, I should say. But look at the battery capacity, 1200 milliamp battery. So the reason being for that one is because the processor is not very powerful, but I'm not sure if it's a single core or a dual core. What am I going to say? But the storage on here, I'm not too sure about this one. Plus the micro SD card, so it only goes up to like 64 gigabytes. So, and because it's got to be running the Android operating system, it's going to take almost half of the storage space. So you have like 4 gigabytes left of it, and you've got 24 months of the manufacturer's warranty. Oh my god, I'm even impressed that it does come with a screen protector and 2 silicone covers, red, green or blue. But with the most high-end expensive ones, it doesn't even come with its own case. But I'm not too sure if any of the electronics companies are going to start doing that. But I know they start to have added larger capacity batteries, like 7,000 milliamps, which is the big ones that I have seen. But I'm talking about the rugged phones. But the largest one that I have seen was like 5,000 milliamps in some of the Samsung phones, which are like flagship anyway. So to be honest, how am I even going to open this one here? But even looking at this thing was so cheap, but I like how it's just been shrink wrapped and I cannot even get my hands in it. You're probably all going to think, what is Ruff absolutely doing? You know what, it's just how I am. You know what, I'm absolutely fascinated with gadgets. I love my gadgets, of course. So as you can see, it's all sealed here. Wow. If I can actually... Oh, how many times have I got to say actually? I don't even know. Anyways, thank you so much for the huge support on the live streams and Animal Crossing, and plus my YouTube shorts as well. They have done so well, to be fair. But honestly, you might end up seeing some meme videos coming up sometime in the future. But I'm going to just like take it by day on the channel, guys. I really cannot even... Okay, so more like a jigsaw puzzle box, the way it just opens. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, not too bad for a little thing like this. I'm not sure if it's got a removable battery or not. So in either hand, you can ring the helpline. It's got the contact number. So before you get started, please charge your new phone. What kind of an... Oh my god. I like how the Oh, no, I'm getting my words wrong. I like how the speaker is designed on here. I'm not sure if it's a removable battery or a sealed battery. So having a look at this, where does the SIM card even go? How do you even remove this thing? Right, okay, I've actually got it. There I go, I said actually again. Okay, right, we're going into here. What kind of a design is this phone? Oh my god. You got 2 SIM card slots, so it's a dual SIM phone. You got your micro SD card here. And what the hell is this? Right, that is some sort of protection there. It's like, it feels like it's kind of like some foam. So looking at this thing, I don't know. So it's got that radio against your ear sign on it. So we just put that here and just open the other bits. Are you absolutely having a laugh? This is absolutely awesome. So we got the red cover and we got the blue one here. Oh my god, I'm really impressed with what it comes. It even gives you a SIM card adapter. So it converts your nano SIM into a mini SIM. And then you got all your leads here. Got a set of headphones. Probably not the best quality sound. Got your micro USB lead. This is the actual battery. And that's the charger plug here. I'll tell you what, they've actually copied the design from Apple. It's the same design, it's the similar design to the iPhone charger plug. Right, looking at this battery, this is very, very light. Okay. So we've taken this off. What more have we got down here? You are really kidding me. A screen protector. That's just absolutely just gone on the floor. We got your instruction manual. You know what? I'm not even going to use this phone. I'm just going to have it in storage and have it on display. Get to know your Alba. It's an Android-based smartphone, of course. So let's just see how this little cheap thing, and I hate to use the word cheap, but I like to use the word at the same time. So, okay. Right, how do you turn this thing on? Right, is this even on properly? Oh my god. So we got the Alba splash screen logo. But I'm not sure if I'm going to put the screen protector on or anything. But even looking at my ugly self. So we got the... Oh, this is a nice fancy Alba splash screen. So apologies if I get my words wrong. But this is the purpose of this entertainment, of course. But look at this. I've made a whole mess on my bed. You know what? I don't know what to say about this £29 value smartphone. So you got your Android introduction screen. So we've got to get started. Insert SIM cards. No. Let's skip that one. I'm not too sure if it's going to be responsive or not. So set up as new because it's a new phone. So looking at this, when you press this, it just doesn't do it straight away. You've got to have to like wait for like milliseconds to... Right, okay, I'm going to not use any network because I don't want to set anything up on here now. No, it's not really responding so well. Connect to a network quickly helps you quickly set up your phone. Okay. See, I'm not too keen on this one. Okay, Google services. Right, we shall accept that. Install updates and apps. Well, just a sec. I'll go next. Even my Nokia phone, which I use as a backup on my second phone, does a better job than this. But I'm not surprised. It's kind of like not bad for having 1 gig of RAM on the phone. Right, set up later. Right, third-party applications. So it's like loading files, but I don't even know what's gonna go on here and don't know how long it's gonna take. But I'm just gonna see how long it's gonna say loading files. Not surprised. you know what, I really, really can't even think. I can't even think what to say about this phone that is £29 and it's almost like got some mid-range specs on it. So basically low mid-range, not the actual mid-range. I don't even know why I'm absolutely pressing back. So yeah, it's got an Argos branded firmware on it. So one application has successfully been installed. Right, it's giving a bit of a blank screen here. Wallpapers, widgets and settings. Oh my god. Right. This is what the menu absolutely looks like. It's a similar one that I've got on the Nokia. Oh. So we'll look at the memory. 455 megabytes used of 1 gig. So total memory is like 0.900 megabytes average used. I don't know if this is going to be able to run any like third-party apps on it. It cannot run Facebook Messenger, but I can see a lot of this is going to be so much sluggish. Allow files to access photos, media and files on your device. Yeah, I'm going to say allow. So that's what it... But when you put your SD card in, you can actually change the default storage to external. But I'll tell you something, I don't think I'm going to... I'm only just going to have this on display and that's about it. But let's see what the camera is absolutely like. Right, viewing full screen. Swipe right to switch. Oh, right, okay. Right, start. Let's see what filters has it got. Oh my god, that is not bad. Not bad for the quality, I should say. So we're swiping left for the filter. Okay. So it's not brilliant in low light. But the phone I'm using is a Huawei P10 Lite. Not a P10 Lite, it's a P30 Lite. And I'm due to upgrade this phone very, very soon. I'm on contract anyway, so I either want to get a Samsung or iPhone. I'm not too sure what I want to get. But yeah, so this was the purpose of this unboxing, by the way. But even looking at all this, I'm not surprised. It's not bad for the price. But I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and play some Among Us on this little £29 smartphone and see what the gaming performance is like on it. But guys, I have to say I'm going to leave it at that, because I'm cringing to this right now. And I just have to say, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.